Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on Motorola Moto G31. So first, check your cable and the charger for any damage. So as you can see, it is no damaged in any way. And check for compatibility. Then clean the charging port that is right in here with non-metallic tools such as Q-tips, compressed air, soft brush, etc. Then test your charger with another phone or your phone with another charger. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.